Let's talk about tech birthdays, Jonathan.
All right. This week we are covering August 30th through the September 5th.
All right.
First off, we have Guy Kawasaki.
Guy Kawasaki. This guy, he invented the motorcycle, the Kawasaki motorcycle?
Yeah. Just kidding. No. He was
Oh.
one of the employees of Apple.
Former employee.
Yes, and he's still alive.
Oh, so he was the employee who was originally responsible for marketing their Macintosh computer line in 1984. Oh, look at this. You know, Microsoft hires a bunch of people to be evangelists, you know, and so an evangelist is basically someone who talks and promotes something, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they have like Visual Studio evangelists, they have, you know, Microsoft Office evangelists. And so this guy popularized the word evangelist in the marketing back in 1984, since he was an Apple evangelist.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of cool.
Yeah. He probably really loved Apple.
I'm sure it was the money that he loved. He got paid well, so he was a venture capitalist.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah. So he had stake in the game. You know, he had what do they call it? He had a dog in the, or no, he had skin in the game. That's what it was. He's got skin in the game. So cool. Oh, look at this. He also wrote a number of books, including The Macintosh Way in 1990, The Art of the Start, The Wise Guy. Interesting. Even, oh, wow, up until recently, 2019, Wise Guy.
All right, wise guy.
He also has a website, guykawasaki.com. Evangelist, author, speaker. Okay. Over 50 keynotes, speeches per year. Kind of cool.
Yeah. Sounds like a pretty cool guy.
Pretty busy, I must say. Who else we got?
Next up, we have John Mauchly. Is that how you say it?
I think it's pronounced Mauchly.
Mauchly?
Mauchly, yeah, Mauchly. Mauchly.
Well, he's known for building the ENIAC, which was the first general purpose digital computer.
Oh, look at this. Remember? Yeah, I do remember this.
This picture, yeah, I remember this picture.
We talked about the ENIAC and world's first electric large-scale general purpose digital computer. Penn Engineering.
Wow.
Man, look at this wire.
What is it for?
I want to say that's the power. It has to be the power. That's the only thing I can think of. Wow.
He built this with his bare hands.
With his bare hands. Look at this. It took up several rooms. Oh, this is a U.S. Army photo, 1947 to 55. This is what they use for a lot of math calculations after they started getting computers. Wow, this is amazing. Look at these rooms. You remember what this reminds? You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Do you ever see the TV series Lost?
Oh yeah.
When they found that old bunker and all these computers that kind of look like this.
Yeah.
And and also one of the Terminator movies where John Connor, he's already grown and he finds this bunker type thing, and they had old computers, like the room looked like this kind of. That's how he was using that to communicate.
Yeah, I feel like you would have to have these kind of computers in a bunker, just to keep
Yeah,
them.
that's crazy. This is some. They try to be really neat with the wiring. See how they're trying to organize it here.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah, you would need a whole another room for that giant computer.
diodes and nodes and all this stuff. Little light switches so that you can see. Oh wow, this is 1995. This is the ENIAC chip,
Wow.
50th anniversary, modern integrated chip technology. That's kind of cool. So John Mauchly basically designed the ENIAC, but he didn't build it. He just designed it.
Mm.
Someone else had to build it. But he did design it so that they can have stored programs, just like the way we have them now, subroutines, programming, and programming languages. See, he got the first draft of a report on the EDVAC, 1945. Can you imagine this? Is he alive still? I think he's dead, right?
No? Oh yeah, he died at
Yeah.
70.
Can you imagine him? Oh, I wonder if he kept up with the with computing and probably like I want to grow old and know like the latest and greatest. You know what I mean? And even if I'm retired or whatever the case is, I still want to be like, what's the next like when 2017 came out and Facebook came out with the React library for UI development on the web. It's like I want to be at that 2017 event, when whoever releases that next big library is like, I'm gonna have all the time in the world just to learn it and build stuff with it. Just build stuff that I want to build.
Yeah.
But
And you can go like, back in my day, we didn't have this kind of computer program.
totally. Well, enough about Mauchly. Who else do we got?
Next up, we have Adam Curry, who's known for being a podcast engineer, pioneer.
Yeah. Podcaster, announcer, internet entrepreneur, and media personality known for his stint as a video jockey, not a disc jockey, not a DJ, but a VJ on MTV. So he was wait, and being one of the first celebrities personally to create and administer websites. What? Interesting. He co-hosted the No Agenda show back in 2000. His he first became involved. Okay, so in 2000s, he first became involved in podcasting. Oh, they call him the Pod Father. That's a good term right there. The Pod Father. Interesting. He worked on a Dutch pirate radio. That's pretty cool.
Cool.
MTV. I don't remember him though. Oh, Adam Curry. Wait a second. I wonder if no, he wasn't on MTV. He does have a microblog, curry.com. Oh, but you know what? I thought I saw another website. Yeah, it's curry.com. So if you go to curry.com, he's got a microblog. So it's adam.curry.com. And then you can get to his microblog. That's pretty cool. I like what he did with his name. He did a subdomain called Adam instead of www.curry.com.
Mhm.
It's adam.curry.com.
That's cool.
Yeah. I mean, we could do that. We could do campos.com and we have jonathan.campos.com and victor.campos.com. That's cool. Uh-oh.
Biden wipes.
All right.
All right.
Who else do we got?
Next up, we have Wayne Green, who is known for 80 Micro and Byte Magazine.
So it looks like so an American publisher, writer, and consulting. Green was editor of CQ magazine before he went to found 7380 Micro, Byte, and CD Review, Cold Fusion, Kilobaud Microcomputing, Run Insider, and as well as publishing books and running instant software. Wow, this guy kept a busy life here.
Mhm.
I wonder if he actually had an editor. I mean, a radio magazine on ham radio.
Oh, wow.
What's going on with Cora?
Oh, stop.
Bring Cora up onto the screen so that our viewers can see barking in the background. She's a vicious dog. Watch out.
She's on guard.
She's on guard.
Just looking at the door.
All right. Go on. Continue looking. So the guy, he actually hosted a radio magazine on ham radio. That's kind of cool. Who else do we got, Jonathan?
Next up, last but not least, we have Robert Dennard, who's inventor of DRAM.
Everybody should wish a happy birthday to Robert Dennard on September 5th for two reasons.
Why?
One is because it falls on that's Cinco de Mayo. That's the wrong 5th there. No, but if it wasn't for this guy, our machines wouldn't have the memory that we have today. I mean, he created DRAM, which is a RAM that goes into all our machines nowadays.
Oh, yeah.
Dynamic Random Access Memory, or DRAM.
Wow.
The whole memory thing is based on math calculations. It's kind of cool.
Yeah. It looks like he knows math by the whiteboard in the background of his picture.
Oh, yeah.
He knows math.
He knows a couple of things about math.
Cool. Yeah, that's all we have for tech birthdays this week.
Awesome. Until next time. Peace.